Hello friends, in this video, I would like to show you how to set up this Wi-Fi camera. Let's get started with the mobile view setup. Before that, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Here is my Wi-Fi device, router, that will be connected to this Wi-Fi camera. Firstly, insert the SD card and connect the USB cable to a 5-volt power source, or to a phone charger. After the camera finished booting, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to reset the device. Download the app from Play Store or Apple Store, and register in it. Open the app. Click on Add Device. Enable your location. And turn on Bluetooth. Tap on Scan to add. Place your phone camera on the QR code to scan. Select your Wi-Fi device. There are 3 Wi-Fi signal detected. Select your own router name and enter the password.
Received configuration information. Connecting to the network. Network connection successful. Camera is online.
That's it. Click on Settings. Scroll down to Update Firmware.
Firmware upgrade. connection successful. Camera is online.
You can turn on auto track to follow movement. That's all for this video. Please support this channel by clicking on the like button. Thanks for watching.